Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize HubSpot to connect to LinkedIn, full guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your HubSpot account. Once you are on the dashboard, navigate to the top right corner. Click on your profile picture or the settings icon. In the left sidebar, find and select integrations. Next, click on Connected Apps. Look for LinkedIn in the list of available integrations. If LinkedIn is not connected, you will see an option that says Connect App. Click on Connect App to begin the authorization process. You will be redirected to the LinkedIn login page. If you're not already logged in, enter your LinkedIn credentials and sign in. After logging in, you will see a permissions screen. Review the permissions that HubSpot is requesting. If you agree, click on the Allow button to authorize the connection. You will be redirected back to HubSpot once the connection is successful. Check for a confirmation message indicating that LinkedIn is now connected. To ensure the integration works properly, try importing a sample contact from LinkedIn. Navigate back to your HubSpot account and check the integrations page. You should now see LinkedIn listed as a connected app. Congratulations, you have successfully authorized HubSpot to connect to LinkedIn. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address. Then, if your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.